3, 2, 1. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Jess, and
this is Nathan.
And today we are headed to, I think you pronounce it Genki?
Yeah, that's our best guess. Genki.
Genki Sushi, and we're gonna go to the Orchard Road location. But we're super excited because it's like sushi that comes out like on a conveyor belt. All right, we're gonna take you along for this adventure of the day. Alright, so you're gonna order on this iPad right here, and you can order 4 things at a time, and then once you're done putting them in your like little train, you like go pay for it at the register.
And you can choose as many trains as you want.
Alright. Oh my goodness.
Literally taking up the entire counter. I got the big guy. The sushi was so great, and now we are headed to make our own chocolate Magnum bars. That is correct. It's gonna be a
So there's like a whole Magnum Bar shop where you can like make your custom Magnum Bar. So we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna do pistachio and peanut butter chips. And let's do some almonds.
Peanut butter chips, pistachio, and almonds under dark chocolate.
Oh, I'll do a drizzle of white chocolate. Wow, that's so beautiful. Okay, tell me what kind of topping.
All right, so we got Oreos, almonds, and the gold nuggets, which you can kind of see maybe a little better there.
Oh, I see.
They're basically just sugar,
little, like,
balls of
little
sugar with gold on them.
nuggets.
So, and then dark chocolate, and then a white chocolate drizzle.
Here's the moment of truth.
Yeah. That's good. If you like Magnum Bars, this is the best version of it possible.
And then this is cool. Okay, so like these like little like sticks is how they did the wall art. Say that one more time. 2 thumbs up.
That was incredible. That was definitely worth it.
How much was it?
16 Sing,
All right, so what is that in US? Like 10 bucks?
12.
$12. $12 US.